Hello everyone. Today, with the help of this video, we are going to discuss about a question in your activity sheet related to prefix and suffix. My dear friends, before starting the topic, please take a glance on these words. The word happy, the word written here is happy. Thereafter, one side happy has converted into happiness, and secondly it has converted into unhappy, while happy is into both of these words, but here ness has inserted and here un has inserted. Ness has inserted after the word and un has inserted before the word. So the group of letters which is a word may or may not be a complete word. Group of letters which is inserted after any word is suffix, and group of letters which is inserted before any word is prefix. Both the things are very commonly known by us. Okay, all of us know very well suffix inserted after the given word and prefix inserted before the given word. In your examination, your activity sheet will consist of question that add a prefix or suffix to make new word, use one of root words in your own sentence. My dear friends, prefix and suffix you know very well, but into examination there is a huge confusion that what you have to do with in this activity. My dear friends, I tried to make away this confusion. Add a prefix or suffix to make new words. You will have there two words and you have to insert either suffix or prefix to both of them. Thereafter, you have to use one of root words in your own sentences. You have to use one of root word. Now, you know what is suffix, what is prefix and what is root word, which is actual word, that is root word. Okay, then in your examination you will be given two words. Thereafter you have to insert suffix or prefix, whatever you want, and then you have to make your own sentence by using one of the root word. So let us see an example for such activity and how it should be solved. You are given here two words, kind and popular, and you have to add a prefix or suffix to make new words and use any one of the root words in your own sentence. So I am giving you example then how to solve the question. Kind and popular. I have inserted mankind, man, as prefix, and here I have inserted ity for suffix popularity. This is example of prefix and this is example of suffix. Kind and popular. These are two root words Okay, in one I had inserted prefix, in one I had inserted suffix. Thereafter I have to make a sentence by using one of the root word. I have chosen the root word popular and made a sentence. APJ Kalam is popular not only in India but also in the world. So my dear friends, I have to use either popular or kind. In this way you have to solve this activity to gain 2 marks. Okay, so prefix and suffix. Prefix which is inserted before the root word and suffix inserted after the root word, and it has lots of rules for making spellings, and mostly on, not, im, such kind of prefixes make the root words negative, and the suffixes normally modifies the meaning of the root word. Just example, popularity. Popular and popularity both are having similar meaning, popular and popularity. And while if I insert here unkind, un, then it will make antonym of the kind. So mostly prefixes make antonyms and suffixes modifies the meaning. For more example, child, child, child is a word, and if I insert ish in child, it will be childish, and childish is modifying the meaning of child, which is not antonym of the word child. So my dear friends, such type of facts are with suffix and prefix, but according to your exam perspective you have to solve in this way. You have to add prefix or suffix into the given 2 root words. Thereafter you have to make only one sentence by given any one of the root words. I hope now you have understood what you have to do with this activity into the exam. So all the best.